In the heart of the jungle, Monkey and Parrot had a fight. "You're too loud." "Well, you're too bossy." They turned their backs and stopped talking. The jungle grew quiet. Even the wind felt awkward. Elephant sighed. "Can someone just say sorry?" Days passed. One morning, Monkey left a banana under Parrot's tree. With a note, "Friends fight. Real friends forgive." Later that day, Parrot flew down and left a mango beside Monkey. They smiled. No words. Just forgiveness. And the jungle felt warm again. Because sometimes, the strongest one is the one who says sorry first.